Hi and welcome to Cooking from Scratch. In this video we're going to be making Italian-esque cookies. So to begin we need a half a cup of sugar. Into that we're going to add a half a cup of olive oil. And we're also going to add 3 eggs, and we're just going to whisk this until it's nicely combined. And then we're going to add 1 teaspoon of grated lemon zest. Usually around half a lemon if it's a large lemon, or a full lemon zest if it's small. And to that we're going to add a teaspoon of vanilla extract, as well as a teaspoon of lemon extract. Alternatively, if you don't have lemon extract, you can use a teaspoon of lemon juice. And then once all of our wet ingredients are nicely mixed, we're going to add our dry ingredients. So we're going to use 3.5 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half teaspoon of salt. We're going to combine that until the dough comes together in a nice cohesive ball. Next, we're going to scoop out 1.5 tablespoon size portions of the dough, and we're going to roll these into about a 4-inch log, and then we're going to shape these into an S. Next, transfer the cookies to a parchment lined baking sheet, and then we're going to give them a nice glaze. So to make our glaze we need 1 egg yolk and a teaspoon of milk, and we'll whisk that together. And we will just brush the tops of these cookies right before baking, and we will bake for 10 minutes at 350 degrees. Now if you like a little bit of a darker color, you want that glaze to brown up, I like to just put the oven on broil for about a minute during the last minute of baking, and they will come out a really nice golden color. And here's the finished product, Italian-esque cookies. If you like this video, remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.